Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and I just want to show you our trade of the week this week. Now, this week, our trade of the week is more a lesson on how we trade. We have a setup called a breakout. It's one of our most popular setup trades. The way that it works is we put an order above the current price and below the current price, and you'll see these little X's that represent our orders. The idea is if the market pops up, we buy the market. If the market drops down, we sell it. And that's how we make our money as the price continues. On this particular report, we made money. The price explodes up. It wasn't even really an explosion. It just popped up. It's going to hit our first target. Our first target is $100, okay, or $90, I should say. It's 9 ticks trading gold. The idea that we want to see in a perfect event is it'll keep going up and hit our second target. In this case, and what happens sometimes in a trade, it doesn't keep going, but we manage our way to protecting profit. I thought it was going to keep going and moved my target further away, looking for a higher profit. But unfortunately, the price pulled back, and then I had to make amends, shrink my targets, and bingo, the trade was over. We had a very nice profit, maybe not quite as big as I wanted, but again, that's our breakout trade. That's a very common occurrence, the way that this one worked. We got a pop, it hit a target, we made money, we tried to make extra money, it pulled back, and we got taken out of the trade with a nice profit and a breakout trade that worked. Happens all the time at 10-minute trades. I hope you learned something about our methods and about one of our most popular types of trades, the breakout trade. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-minute trades, and that was Consumer Confidence, our breakout trade of the week. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next week in the Trade Room.